Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. So at the top of our paper, we're going to write Friday, our name, and the date 4/16/20. You're going to write number 1, number 2 with the line in the middle. Then on the back, you're writing number 3 and number 4 with the line in the middle. And then on the last page, you're writing exit ticket. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for number 1, you're drawing a box. You're writing more on the bottom and less. Then below that, you're writing answer with the line. Okay. So, I'm going to read this problem. Jameer has 48 hats. He has 65 less hats than his friend Leah. How many hats does Leah have? Okay, so it says label more and less. This is so important. We don't know if we're adding or subtracting. It doesn't matter if Jameer has 48 or if you see this number here. That doesn't really tell us if we're adding or subtracting. What tells us if we're adding or subtracting is actually what the question's asking about. They're asking about Leah. So if Leah has more, we're going to add. If Leah has less, we're going to subtract. So the question really explains what we need to do. So first, we need to label more and less. I've noticed that we're still having some confusion, so I'm actually going to show you how to do that. So Jameer has 48 hats. So they're talking about Jameer still. He has 65 less. So they're saying that Jameer has less. Jameer is going to have less for his label. If he has less for his label, then his friend Leah has to have more. And the question is asking about Leah. Since she has more, we're going to add. That gives us a clue that we're adding. So now would be the time that you can write a number sentence for more. Okay, so hopefully you wrote 65 plus 48 equals question mark. We're adding because it says more for Leah. These are our parts, and our total is missing. When we don't have our total, we add our parts. Right now, you can do a strategy to solve this. Now, for some of you who completed this really quickly last time, try to do 2 or 3 strategies with your problem. All right, I'm going to start with 65. I'm going to do 4 10s and 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's always good to double check. Now I'm going to count up. My 10s are going to go up. So 65, 75, 85, 95. Okay, we're really close to the hundreds. So 95, 105. Now we're going to count by ones. The ones are going to change. 106, 107, 108, 109. After 9 comes 10. 110, 111, 112, 113. All right, now write a number sentence to match your work. So I started with 65, and then I added 48, and that got me my total, 113, which was missing before. Okay. Now you can answer this question. How many hats does Leah have? Leah has 103 hats. And we know that this is correct because when we labeled that Leah has more, her number is bigger than Jameer's number. So that makes sense that he has less and she has more. Okay, let's go on to number 2. So you're not writing the directions out. You're just going to write both of these equations out and make sure you have the equal sign in the middle. So right here you have 5 plus 7 plus 3 equals 37 minus 15. Okay. It says circle the equation if it's true and cross it out if it's false. First thing that we do whenever we see the equal sign in the middle, you're going to draw a line. Then you're going to box this out so you know you have to solve each side. So for now what we're going to do is you're going to solve this side first. Okay, so I'm going to put the big number in my brain first. Then something that I can do is I can quickly add up. Since I already wrote this number, I'm going to add up 5 and 3. I know that 5 and 3 equals 8. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just going to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And just to double check, we have the 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 3 here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have those numbers. All right, 7, we're counting up because we're adding here. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we're going to see if we get 15 on this side or not. This says 37 minus 15. So you can solve this side now. All right, I'm gonna do 37, 1 10 stick, and 5 ones. Now I'm counting down because it says I have to count down. So 37, I'm taking away from the tens place. 27, now I'm taking away from the ones place. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. Okay. Is this equation true or false? What do you think? it is false. So hopefully you cross that out. All right, everyone, it's time for that dance break. Hope you had fun with that dance break. All right, so we're going to go on to question number 3. At the top, you're writing count up by tens until the switch. So again, you're writing count up by tens until the switch. You're going to draw a box, like a rectangle. You're drawing a line in the middle. And then you're going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th box, you're writing switch to 5s. On the box below, on the 3rd one, you're writing switch to 1s. And then on the first box, you're writing 100. So I would pause this video now so that you can make sure you have this all down. Okay. Again, it says count up by tens until the switch. So I'm actually going to have you do this whole thing by yourself because this, I think we've done it a couple times and I want you to try it out on your own. So you can give that a go. Okay, so counting by tens. 100, so this is going to go up our tens place. 110. 120. All right, now we got to switch to 5s. Our 1s are going to go 0, 5, 0, 5. 125. 130. 135. 140. Now we're counting by 1s. 141. 142. 143. Okay, last problem. This one's a fun one. All right, for number 4, for the directions you're writing mental math, because we're going to do this quick, so you're not going to show any strategies for these. For the first one, it's 81 plus 10 equals blank. The one below says 49 plus 1 equals blank. 39 plus 1 equals blank. 19 plus 10 equals blank. 99 plus 1 equals blank. And 63 plus 10 equals blank. You could look at my chart if you need a little extra time. All right, it says solve each problem as quickly as you can using mental math. I'm actually going to give you 20 seconds to do this one because I feel like 15 was a little bit too quick. So I'll give you 20 seconds to solve all of these as fast as you can. You can start now. All right, so hopefully you finished. If you didn't, it's totally fine, but your goal is when we keep doing these that you can get to the end before the time runs out. So 81 plus 10 is 91. 49 plus 1 is 50. 39 plus 1 is 40. 19 plus 10 is 29. 99 plus 1 is 100. And 63 plus 10 is 73. Okay, we're going to get ready for the exit ticket. So get your paper out. This says exit ticket at the top. You should also write the date so that when you upload it, you know that you're putting it for the right day. Right now on the screen, I'm going to show your exit ticket. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Have an awesome Friday and have an amazing break. If you want to do some things over the break, you can look at our Google Drive, and we have a bunch of stuff in there. I'll also leave the link below my video. So I see you guys after the break. Bye.